Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin. I'm here with Ninja. He's currently putting some vinyl on his S13 240. We're gonna go out for a little cruise. We just got the car all cleaned up and we're gonna take some rollers, some photos, and some videos. So as of this moment, we're just putting some vinyl on. We don't really know what we're doing, but it's a learning process. Right now he's doing his cuts. We just hit it with a little bit of heat.
I'm not a surgeon.
He's not a surgeon, but that's okay. While Ninja's working on his vinyl, I might as well do a quick walk around the S13. So here it is. He just got it back from being rebuilt and tuned. How much power are you pushing, Ninja? 300. It's about 300 to the wheel, which is pretty good. It's a conservative tune. He did it for pretty much just safety and just reliability, right? Yep. And that's all you can really ask for. But a really clean S13 body. You really don't see very many of these in this condition because people drift them, crash them, what have you. But he's had this for many years, and he's finally got it to the point where he got it put together the way he wanted. So I think next up for you is pretty much paint.
Yeah, some more stock body options.
Yeah. Inside is clean.
Wheels.
But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping up in a little bit. We're waiting for Remar to show up, aka our videographer, and then we're gonna go ahead and do some rollers. So we'll go from there. Here, I'm gonna move over to the left lane. Woo. Oh, it's a new M4.
Going to all these like meets and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, you hella makes me want to get a car again.
We need you part of the team.
But I'm like, nah, I'll just make my truck as fast.
Yeah, just make the 19, right? Big turbo.
So Ninja has two 240s in the Supra.
And a 335.
Oh,
That's his daily, yeah. Here he comes. Yeah, right? That was fun. Dude, he took some really good shots, bro.
Dude, those look so
Like
sick.
awesome rollers, man. Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully. See that little gap of where there's like a little whatever?
Yeah.
Stop right there.
All right.
Can you turn this way a bit?
Hold on. I think I'm leaking something.
Oh, that's fucking cool, dude.
Let's see, where's it coming? It's coming from the reservoir.
Sure.
Yeah, there.
Push you?
What's up?
Push you?
Well, I don't know where else to go. Where else would I?
Well, just part on the other side. 'Cause, I mean, you're
Like right over there?
taking it on the sidewalk right
Yeah. Here, no, I'll be fine. Here, let me put. It should be fine.
So, hold on, let's go.
Yeah, it was leaking some coolant.
Just jizz all over the place.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, guys, we had to pull over for a little bit because the BMW was bleeding coolant. So I made the mistake of actually undoing the cap before we left and just tightening it back on, and I forgot to bleed the system, so it was leaking coolant all over the place. But this is kind of what it looks like right now. Basically, I just opened up the bleeder screw. It's just pretty much just bleeding a whole bunch of coolant all over the place. A bunch of air bubbles still coming out. So yeah, that's pretty much my fault. But hopefully we can get it all buttoned up and just continue going. But this is just a reservoir. Hopefully it'll be okay. So we'll keep an eye on it. All right, guys. So we're gonna head over to O'Reilly's, which is a grocery store, and we're gonna see if we can pick up some distilled water. Then we're gonna pull over for just a little bit to let the car cool down, pour some more water in there to cool it off, and then we're gonna keep going with the pictures. All right, time to get some distilled water. Guys, so the plan is we're gonna stay at a restaurant for a little bit, let the BMW cool down, then we're gonna pour some distilled water in there. That stuff should actually keep it pretty cool. I'm not really tripping too much about that, but we're here right now, and we're gonna come back out.
A few moments later.
All right, we just put distilled water in there. Just gonna clean it up so we can make sure it's not leaking when we stop next. We just got the coolant in. We're about to head out. We going?
Yeah, we're going.
All right, so we're gonna take some rollers and take some more pictures. I think that's Ninja's friend, right behind us.
Ah, the other 240.
They have the stu, but I have the Ric Flairs.
Yeah.
I have the woo!
Dude, you went way too fast.
Whoops.
Tyler, the homie.
What's up, bro? Justin, bro. Nice to meet you, man. Hi. Nice to meet you. B.
That's the play. That's the whip.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Staying cool. Alright, I'm good. Yeah, supercharged, bro. Yeah, I'll pop it up. S50. S50, yeah.
What were you making?
It should be around 300 to the wheel. Dude. But you got a turbo, you probably have more torque than me. The supercharger doesn't make too much torque. Well, I'm not leaking coolant anymore, so that's good. I think that was the problem, is that I didn't bleed it. Dude, I love your 240, man. It's clean, bro. So he's gonna ride with me. He'll take some shots of you.
Shots of you. Same thing. Just follow him like kind of off the tail of his bumper.
Okay. You get shots from Tyler?
Yeah.
Once we do that, do you want to hit up a different spot? Do you have another spot in mind? Might as well route that way after the.
Go towards the Rayleigh field.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it like being dark affecting you, or?
A little bit. Like the lights, the headlights.
I know the
are fucking
voltage
up.
is shit with the warning lights.
Yeah, I have to.
I'm gonna turn off my headlights. Let's see how
Yeah,
that
put your orange one with the
yellow one?
Stop your light on. Okay.
Okay, so we'll just.
So I'm in front and then you're behind me and then we're gonna turn to Rayleigh Field, right? And if you got the shot.
We're in front. We're in front.
Oh, okay.
Then yeah, you two. And I'll get back.
Yeah.
It was harder than I thought.
Yeah.
I was like, shit, these are fucking hell hard to take.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter what my lights are, alright? Because I'm the one
Yeah,
leading.
you're in front, so. I said we're supposed to be in front. Yeah. Oh, for real?
Oh yeah, your headlights.
Yeah.
The only other spots I thought about going to was that bridge, you know, that new bridge that goes to the train yards? But those are both going to be like static shots. So
Yeah.
just like,
Park it.
just park it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good. We'll follow you guys.
All right, cool. Yeah. All right, we're just on top of a bridge here in Sacramento, just trying to pull up, trying to find a good spot for a picture. Soggy. We got Charlton here. Remar's setting up the little tripod over there. So hopefully some of these night shots turn out pretty well. I'll put them in the video. Just gotta take a couple of still shots. This is underneath Tyler's 240. Very clean.
They go where they go. Like this, I wrapped that under my fucking back.
Yeah, we win, baby.
Closer. Turn. Start turning. Turn. Alright, Ninja just got done shooting, so Tyler's gonna roll up here and spot up right in the center. Alright, I'm gonna give the cameraman some love. I've been recording cars all day. I'm gonna record Remar now. Oh, those are nice.
Now you gotta drive it like off of construction route.
Now we gotta hit some ramps.
That's serious. You got action shots.
Alright, how the fuck do we get out of here?
Head north on I-5 North. 7th Street.
Cool. Oh, I think Ninja wants to go. Oh, that was a good one! Dude, that was so fun. Here, I'll do one more. Hang on. I started in second gear. That's why we pulled really hard at the beginning.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You were third.
I know you go into second.
My last one was in second because I was like, all right, I'm gonna go into second this time.
I could have probably went to second.
Yeah. because I was telling Charlton, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go into second because I know that's my gear. I'm like, that's my gear. If I can go down to second, then that's the one that I'll always start in.
Did you let off in like fourth or anything?
On the second to last one,
On the very last one.
no, I kept going.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you were pulling though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you were yeah.
You were, like, slowing
No, you were pulling on me. I shifted into fifth, and then that's when I stopped it.
Gotcha.
But dude, it was pretty. That was really fun.
Yeah.
That was really good runs, dude. Like really good runs. Like right when you gave the hazards, I was like, Charlton, Ninja wants to play. I was like, dude. All right, guys, just like that, we are back at the house. I already changed my clothes. It was really hot out there, but anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Really fun time out with the boys. Took some cool rolling shots, a couple of cool photos at some different locations all around Sacramento, and we were able to get that run in with Ninja's 240. So he is turbocharged, almost about the same as me. I think he said 300 wheel horsepower, but we're pretty much making close to the same horsepower, both rear wheel drive. Man, what a good race. I think we ran 3 times, and it was pretty much a stalemate. He'd win one race, I'd win the other. We pretty much it was basically a driver's race. Whoever got the better start pretty much took it. But man, the turbocharger definitely has more torque than me, but one of the races there you'll see, second gear is my best gear, and I think that was the last race that we ran, and that one was a pretty good race for me. But I think the first 2 races, Ninja did an amazing job. Great driver, and he spits flames, so that's pretty cool. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, please feel free to do so. It's free, it doesn't cost you nothing. Hope you like this video, and as always, remember, respect your elders. Peace.